Hello guys, in this video I will share with you how to download and install WhatsApp on PC or laptop by installing WhatsApp on a laptop. It makes it easier for you to reply to or view WhatsApp messages on your cell phone, because WhatsApp is already connected from your cell phone to laptop or PC. To find out how, pay attention to the small pen on this screen. Okay guys, that's how to install WhatsApp on a laptop or PC. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to click subscribe and press the bell button so you get notifications of the latest videos from this channel.